Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Begin with the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of grade 7, I hope you will be fine. Today I have selected a passage for few people and you are going to do this exercise to improve your comprehension skills, right? So first of all, I will read the passage and later you will be guided how to comply with my instructions. Here I go. Nowadays, many problems and issues are surrounding our environment. It has been observed by the experts that globally the average temperature has considerably increased on account of different environmental problems, including pollution and deforestation. Many efforts have been done to restore the beauty of environment in populated areas of the world. These efforts or campaigns are about plantation, removal of factories and industrial units from the residential areas, and educating the masses on relevant core subjects. In order to overcome pollution, the students can play a vital role by becoming the part of awareness-raising campaigns. My dear students, this is a passage comprising almost 140 or 35 words here, roundabout. And what you will do, you will read it as I have read. Okay, you must read it at least twice. And later you are going to answer the question mentioned at the end. So these are the two questions. Number one, what can the students do to overcome the pollution problem? And number two question, what is the observation of the experts? You are going to exploit all the information available in this passage here. Now also, another thing you are going to do, these are the 6 key vocabulary words which I have highlighted here with red color here. Now you are going to find out the meanings or definition of these 6 vocabulary words. You will write the meanings or brief definitions here. These 6 words include core, campaigns, globally, masses, deforestation, restore. So how can you do this exercise all? Better get a printout of the whole exercise. Okay, staple it, mention the page number. Okay, write your name here in the beginning, mention the date, and then you can send it to me by getting the images to my email or WhatsApp number. Inshallah, I will give you feedback accordingly. This is the exercise for our today's work here. I hope you will do it. Thank you very much for attending the online lecture. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.